We should do this and all. Now, and we should do 4-in-1 and villagers life. Now, should add this 3. Now now everybody see. Now I am going to do this one. To do Resurrection City. Please watch and please share and comment this jumble car. We should arrange them.
So what are you doing, Badrish?
Hello everybody. Now here is jumble car. How we should arrange, I will explain you.
What was searching?
Next, what was searching?
Now I am searching this one.
That is school.
And we should fit this one. And this is same for this. Now I am going to do one more. This one. And which one will be here?
This is matching for this. And this one is matching for this one. This one is matching for this. And for this, which one? And this one is fitting here. Friends, now I did this 3. Now I am going to do this one also. This is matching for this one. Friends, now friends, I finished this and that 4. Thank you. Now see everybody.